Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Live in faith that the whole world is on your side so long as you are true to the best that is in you. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 270, NASDAQ off 55, S&P's down 17. Gold contract up $15.60, trading at $1,065.20 an ounce. Friday in the markets, gold, folks, bottom line, it looked over the cliff. It decided not to jump. Yesterday you came down. We got to a price point of 1,057, and bottom line, but 1,047 rather, and it was $1.50 off its swing low, rejected the swing low, had lighter volume, goes topside today. Bottom line, gold wants higher price. Equities want gold equities, silver equities want higher price. Silver, same setup in silver. Silver was looking over the cliff, decided not to jump off the cliff. Goes topside, has volume behind the move, up 39 cents, $14.10. Both the gold and silver contract, folks, they've been testing these lows for approximately 4.5 months. Scene today was a good scene, particularly on a Friday, particularly with the rest of the market going south in a big way. Platinum up $15, trading at $8.59 an ounce. You got copper, another indication that these commodities want to start moving, which is counterintuitive, by the way, with the Fed going up. But copper up 6 pennies at $2.10 a pound. Light sweet crude, different ball game, man. We just have so much oil slushing around, folks. It's pretty amazing. Light sweet crude, $34.59. So the high volume swing low from 2009 is $32.40. Looks like that is going to be game. We're going to go after the $32.40. The way that the oil market is actually trading, meaning back and forth, it is building cause because all the volume is to the downside. It's building cause to looks to go a lot lower than $32.40. We'll see what happens once it gets down and whacks that baby. Bonds. 10-year bond up 12 ticks, 126.16. 30 up 16 ticks, 156.13. Same type of counterintuitive move in the markets. They're going higher. They want higher price, lower yield. King dollar down 580 ticks, trading at 98.74. Now, King dollar yesterday goes topside, folks, with 1,400 ticks. Doesn't have volume on the way up. You're backing down today with lighter volume. So bottom line, you know, on a short-term basis, the bulls and bears are fighting over King dollar. My take on a longer-term basis, you have juice and volume down at the lows. That King dollar wants to go run down into the 95 area. Euro is up 39 rather at 108, and the yen is trading down 129 at 121.27. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. Here we go. This is, we had option expiration happening, folks. You failed on price, failed on volume. Bottom line, we're coming down with 167 million shares. You're going into a swing point that had 182 million. We're coming down on volume once again. When you take a look at this and you bring this on a longer-term basis as to, okay, what has the market been doing? Well, the market since May, folks, has been making lower highs and lower lows. Bottom line, we're going downtown. This is going to get really intriguing going into the end of the year, of course, because what you have is that if we bring the S&Ps back, we are at October of 2014. That's where we are right now. So what does that mean? Well, that means that money managers are going to make a choice. And the choice, you know, whether it's a bull or a bear, the choice would be, do I stay in the market? Do I get out of the market? Do I get out of the market now? Market goes south a little bit more. And if that's the case, you got to remember something. Money managers are always going against benchmarks. That's all they care about. What is the benchmark and how did I perform on the benchmark? Well, bottom line, if in fact we go down lower in the next week and a half and money managers got out now, guess what? You'd outperform the benchmark. That's what they'd be professing. Big deal. Bottom line, what's game out here? We're at 201 right now. What's game out here, ASAP, is 186.94. That is the high volume swing low from October 2nd. That's in the SPYs. We go into the end Qs, the QQQ. Bottom line, QQQ also wants lower price. Qs right now are down on 40 million shares. You're going into a swing point with 53 million. We get an hour into the market. It'll get the 50 million. This is option expiration. What we also have is that you have dramatically higher volume on the weekly. We're pushing into lows, and I mean dramatically higher volume. The Qs right now, the last low out here had 175 million. We've already done 232 million. They've been getting out of this market and getting out of it in spades. That's what distribution's all about. Push it out, give it, give it, give it. It's just replays over and over and over again. It's pretty amazing. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Man, oh man, gold, folks, looked over the cliff, decided it didn't want to jump, thank God. Bottom line, for a Friday, pretty impressive performance for gold. Yesterday, what we did is this. Yesterday, it tested swing low. Now, we tested it with slightly lighter volume. You know, we got down to 1,046.80. The swing low is 1,045.40. We did yesterday 169,000 contracts. You were coming into 174. Now, that's at the low. That's the low of December 3rd. As we went topside on December 4th, nice juice. That was 209,000 contracts. Topside, well, guess what? We rejected the lower price yesterday, rejected it again today, goes topside today. Gold's on its way now to 1088. More than likely, you're going to see it up there at 1192. What's really cool is that the equities themselves also rejected lower price, had lighter volume on the daily. On the weeklies, the setup are just dynamite. The weekly setups, folks, dramatically lighter volume. They're closing near the highs of the week. Bottom line, they want they want to run topside. Now, let's get over and we take a look at this oil market. This oil market is just absolutely, well, all the markets are wild right now. But if we take a look at oil, what you're going to see is this. Oil market today, we're down 0.9%. You're trading at 35.92. This little baby closed at its lows, 300,000 contracts. This baby, by the time we are in here Monday morning, we're probably going to be at probably 34.50. Big number, folks. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back. Dow Industrials right now down 302. NASDAQ 64. S&P's down 21. We're going to be right back.